Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete a WordPress website in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to your WordPress website, click on these little three dots and select Delete. Check this box next to I understand that all data on this website and its subdomains will be lost and can't be recovered. Yes, I understand that. Click on delete. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use LiteSpeed cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Click on delete. Your WordPress website is being deleted and it can take up to 10 minutes. Click on done and refresh this page to make sure that your WordPress website is successfully deleted. And this is how to delete a WordPress website in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.